Let's see this guy hit this. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god, I want to try this so bad. I am definitely not on the right bike for this. I feel like I can try this. Holy shit, dude, this is intense. But this is pretty gnarly stuff, man. Full in control 100% of the time. Try this Endurocross crap. Okay, he really popped up over that. Wow, he made that look easy as crap, dude. How the heck did he do that? Alright, see if I can just basically just lose all control of my finger halfway through that, dude. I don't know if that makes any sense at all to anyone watching. But I feel like I'm being a baby about this. My fingers are just cramping up so fast, so easy with this stiff-ass clutch. This is getting through it, no freaking problem. Why didn't I bring the KTM? There's like no way I'm gonna be able to get through that. Yep, absolutely hate this bike on this enduro stuff. The clutch is absolutely killing my finger. Sucks. Really pissing myself that I didn't bring my other bike. Oh well, it'll be a cool event to watch other people ride it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Peace.